Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Harlocks.
Today we are going to be talking about the issue in Alaska.
But what is the issue, Miss Harlocks?
I was just about to tell you, Tanya. On this newspaper, there is an article about how the pipeline in Alaska being made will affect the polar bears.
Read it.
Hold on, everyone. We're going to watch a slideshow about it. The mighty Trans-Alaska Pipeline has been running at less than half its capacity since 2000, and only high oil prices have prevented a dive in state income. That's why they are creating a new one in that long of time. We also think that if a seal or some animal underwater bites or hits the pipeline, the oil will pollute the water, which can also kill the polar bear. Today, there are only 20,000 to 25,000 polar bears left in the world. Polar bears are important because if they aren't here, their prey, sealfish, and deer will overpopulate and will kill their food sources. That will cause more animals to die one by one.
The oil is warm, which melts the ice caps in Alaska, and also pipelines can leak. Right?
That's right. The oil will be harmful substance to the polar bears and will kill the fish in the sea. So no food for the bears. With the ice melting, the polar bears are surrounded by the water, which makes it harder to hunt prey.
Oh, Miss Harlocks, I know of this article. My dad was talking about it in the morning.
The proposed
26 billion natural gas pipeline would be the largest private sector of the project ever undertaken in North America. It would tap 35 trillion cubic feet of proven natural gas reserves on Alaska's North Slope.
That's correct, Tanya. Summer sea ice in Alaska dropped last year to its lowest level in 38 years of satellite record keeping, falling to 1.65 million square miles, or about 1.15 million square miles less than the average from 1970 to 2000. The loss is bigger than the combined area of Alaska, Texas, California, and Georgia. The polar bear lives in only one place of America, which is Alaska.
Miss Harlocks, is there anyone who doesn't want this pipeline and someone who does?
Yes, Kevin, that's a very good question. A province in Canada called British Columbia and the Prime Minister of Canada, Stephen Harper, both have different opinions on this pipeline. British Columbia is against this because they are very eco-friendly. They're very eco-friendly province, and they are concerned about the province.
But what about Stephen Harper? Why does he want it?
Well, Bradley, Stephen Harper wants it because it will help get jobs for the people in Alberta, and Stephen Harper grew up in Alberta.
Whoa, who knew the people would have to make such hard decisions? Is there anything we could do to help the situation?
Oh, we can start a class letter writing campaign to Stephen Harper saying why we don't want this pipeline and different reasons.
That sounds great!
Okay, class. So the pipeline and everything, and we are going to learn more about this tomorrow.
That's the bell, Miss Harlocks.
Okay, class, get going now. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.